mo kí ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi. Fídíò kan tó ṣẹ̀ jáde. Kọ́lọ́run jẹ́ kí bàbá Mohbad kó bọ́ ńbẹ̀. Ẹ wo fídíò yìí.
As a community leader, we don't want anything that will affect our community because of the side effects. And I'm saying it in English again. The father of this guy, Mohbad, called me. I don't know the time. I don't know that this is what is going to happen. Called me at night, telling me that Mohbad is dead. I felt so bad. I felt so sorry because I didn't know that boy. It's only the father that I knew. I've never met him before. I know that he's very, very charitable. Give him money. When he gave his father card, the father celebrated it. I don't know. I don't keep praying for him. Now, suddenly, the father said that they are bringing him to bury. They are bringing him. They want to bury him at that night. That I should assemble, I should get shovels, diggers, in order to bury him. And I said that this is not possible, man. It's not possible. Don't do that. I'm a community leader. How can you come and say that you want to bury your son at that time? I called him about 2 times and I said, you are bringing him. Immediately I saw some community members. One brought shovel, one brought digger. A woman and a man. I said, what?
No. I need láti béèrè question yìí lọ́wọ́ bàbá Mohbad. Kí ni ìdí tó fi insist pé kí wọ́n sin ọmọ yẹn lọ́jọ́ yẹn? Torí tí èèyàn bá kú tó hospital, at least mo pé immediately èèyàn bá kú àwọn at least ó ṣà ní àwọn ìgbésẹ̀ kan tó máa gbé ní hospital kan tó release òkú yẹn. Ká má ti sọ pé ọmọ tó jẹ́ celebrity bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ó níyàwó náà mọ̀. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan? Kí ni ìdí tó fi fẹ́ tó jẹ́ pé kò fẹ́ kó ọmọ ẹ̀ dọjọ́ kejì? Ọmọ tó yẹ kó ti di ogun àgbáyé. Ẹ bá wa béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Torí nǹkan tá à ń gbọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ àwọn kan tírẹ́tì ní ẹgbẹ́ kan kó sọ̀rọ̀ bàbá yìí sọ̀rọ̀ kó jọ. Bàbá yìí sọ̀tọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀. Then another nǹkan mi tí a tún gbọ́dọ̀ wádìí ẹ̀ ni pé bọ̀bọ̀ tó ń pariwo nínú mọ́tò pé Mohbad ti kú yẹn tẹ́ bá wo ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad jẹ́ pé Mohbad sì ń mí. Kí ló dé ẹ̀sìn wá ń declare publicly openly bẹ́ẹ̀ bó ti kú? Then kí ló mú tó fi wà unconscious ìjọ yẹn? Another thing ni pé injection tí wọ́n fún kí ló wà nínú injection yẹn? Yóò mú ọ̀pọ̀ tó sì máa gbogbo ẹ̀ jáde náà. Bọ̀tà gbọ́dọ̀ lajú wa dáadáa ká mójútó result yẹn. Yeah. Ọlọ́mọ jẹ́ ká tẹ́ni ti ká. Ṣé nǹkan táwọn èèyàn fi ń drag ìyá Mohbad náà rẹ̀ ni pé according to nǹkan tá a gbọ́ ìyá Mohbad ti sá lọ ó ti fi bàbá Mohbad sílẹ̀ nígbà tí Mohbad wà ní kékeré. Bàbá ẹ̀ lórí ìṣẹ́ ìgbà tó yá ọmọ yìí tó wó dé ọmọ yìí pé yẹ padà ó fẹ́ ṣètò wàhálà yẹn láàrin ìyá àti bàbá ẹ̀. I think ọ̀rọ̀ gbọ́n dáadáa láàrin bàbá àti ìyá ẹ̀ but yẹn family matter ni. But abiyamọ ẹ ti jẹ̀gbádùn gbàgbé pé ó yẹ kẹ́ protect ọmọ yín. Ẹ jẹ̀gbádùn gbàgbé ẹgbẹ́ ń gómátò kiri ẹ dẹ̀ pé ayé ní abiyamọ. Jesus Christ. Ẹ̀kọ́ ni fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin abiyamọ tó wà ń ta mbẹ̀ yẹn o. Ẹ pé ayé ló bì kẹ́ gómátò nìkan lẹ́mọ̀. Adéọmọdé lórúkọ mi, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ bá mi pín fídíò ìkiri. Má dẹ̀ gbàgbé láti subscribe sí Adéọmọdé TV lórí YouTube. Ó dàbọ̀.